Hi everyone, this is Adam Virgil, and in this video I'm going to go over how to set filters to narrow down the list of comparables in these dashboards. What you will want to do is you will want to click on this plus button on the left hand side that shows up next to row 2. That'll open up a list of filters that have already been applied. And all of these filters have been made to encapsulate all players. Any adjustments made might result in less players in your list. We can see that currently in our player pools we have for overall similarity 146 out of 146 possible players, and for game performance 181 out of 181, and combine 146 out of 146, etc. Now the way that you apply a filter is where it says total GP between or total games played between, it's between the first number and the second number, and you will get players in your list that are in between those two values. So if we set this to 100 and click enter, now our list will only include players between 100 and 10,000 games played. Now if we go the other way and set this to 0 and the maximum number to, let's say, 20, click enter, now our list will only include players that have 20 games played, or between 0 and 20 games played. And this works for other metrics too. So imagine that we just want to see quarterbacks who have a completion percentage over 70%. Click enter. Between 70 and, 10,000%. Now this is our list of quarterbacks that have over 70% completion percentage. If we go to 60%, our list will be a little bit bigger. And if we said, we want to see players that have over 60% and over 100 games played in the NFL, we can set that here, enter, and now our list is just quarterbacks who have over 60% completion percentage and over 100 games played in the NFL. So not only can this be used to compare other players, but it's a quick way to filter through players to figure out who meets certain criteria within the current NFL player pool that we have. We can reset it to 0, reset this to 0. And this concept works for all of these metrics, where if you want to include, or you just want to see players between certain QBR numbers and that have a certain number of rush attempts per year, you can set those all here. Now, just quickly, I want to jump over to the other dashboard, the custom comparisons dashboard. And the filters are in the same spot right next to row 2, and we can open them up. And these filters work for the list beneath here. Beneath your manually selected players you want to compare yourself to, here's the list of players. And again, we can do the same thing where we just want to see NFL players that have over 70% completion percentage. And now here's our list of comparables. It works the exact same way, just in a different spot for each dashboard, or in the same relative spot, but you have to do them in 2 different places. So I hope this makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions about filters. Again, you're looking for players between a minimum and a maximum value. So if negative values are irrelevant, which I know for adjusted net yards per attempt it may be, then you will want to set the value as being negative. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in another video.